This is our baby Mason eating strawberries. This is the third pile like this that he's eaten. This is why we had to buy our acreage, so that we could plant 40 acres of strawberries in order to feed him when he gets bigger. What do you think? And this is McKenna. Helping me cut the strawberries up. Do you like strawberries, Mason?
He does.
He kind of sounds like a pig when he eats, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Crazy with his.
See that? He doesn't even chew them. He just swallows them. Hi, buddy.
Oh!
All business, no play. Look at that. And now he's down to 4. See you later. You're a ridiculous kid. I love you, buddy. Oh, down 1.